Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset your Citibank password. First of all, open the web browser. Here search Citibank USA. Click to open its site. Tap to sign in. Click on Forget Password. Now you can see there are a few ways to reset your password. If you're a bank or credit card customer, enter your debit or credit card number. Or if you're a mortgage-only customer, enter your email here. If you're a SBA Paycheck Program customer or Certificate of Deposit-only customer, then tap to continue. After that, follow all the instructions to reset your password. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.